So student, good evening students. Today we are going to do some problems of the introduction to trigonometry chapter exercise number 8.4 and the question number 4.1. Okay, question number 4 is given here, that is what, choose the correct option, justify your what choice. So question number 1, 9 sec square minus 9 10 square a. So here is given what option, which option is correct, that the options we have to write. Okay, so question number 1a 1b option is what 9 and C option is what 8 and the D option is what 0. Okay, so which one is the correct option, that we have to write. Okay, so here is given what 9 sec square a minus 9 10 square a. So we have to write here what 9 sec square a minus 9 10 square a. Okay, so we know that what 1 plus 10 square a equal to sec square a, we know. Okay, according to the formula we know already what 1 plus 10 square a equal to what sec square a. So we can write what sec square a sec square a, this plus 10 square a in right hand side minus 10 square a we can write equal to what 1. Okay, equal to 1 we can write. So now you see, look at here, 9 into what you can 9 sec square a minus what 9 10 square a. So that means 9 is the what common value, common number here. So that is why we can take common as what 9. So now what we can write in the bracket, that is sec square a minus what 10 square a we can write. Okay, so the value of sec square a minus 10 square a is how much? 1. Okay, so the value of sec square a minus 10 square a equal to what 1. So that is why we can write here what 1. Okay, so now what is the answer? That is 9. Okay, so which one is the correct answer? That is what 9. So this is the option is the what correct answer. So therefore you can write here therefore the correct option is what? Therefore the correct option is this one. Okay, B 9 B 9. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, and then after comes to the number second. Okay, question number 4, second number is given here, that is what and that is number second is given here, that is what 1 plus 10 theta plus what sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta equal to what? Okay, so here you can write so equal to what we can write. So here is given some what option. So number A is how much given, that is 0, B is given, that is 1, and the C option is given here, that is 2, and the D option is given here, that is what minus 1. Okay, so which one is the correct option, that we have to find out after solve this problem. Okay, so now we are going to solve these problems. So here what is given here, that is 1 plus, so we can write here what 1 plus 10 theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus what cosec theta. Okay, so now we can write 1 plus what, so tan theta means what, we know that tan theta equal to what, tan theta equal to sin theta divided by what, cos theta we can write. Okay, and sec theta equal to what, 1 by cos theta we can write, and cot theta we can write 1 by what, cot theta what we can write, that is cos theta divided by what, sin theta we can write. Okay, so 1 plus what, tan theta we can write what, sin theta divided by what, cos theta we can write, and then after plus sec theta means what, 1 by cos theta we can write. Okay, within bracket you have to write, and then after 1 plus cot theta means what, cot theta means cos theta divided by sin theta we can write, cos theta divided by sin theta you can write, minus cosec theta means what, 1 by sin theta we can write. Okay, bracket close. Now we have to take the what, LCM. So cos theta LCM is how much, cos theta. Okay, cos theta you can write, cos theta into 1 cos theta you can write here, plus sin theta you can write plus 1. Okay, this one within bracket you have to write, into, again we have to take LCM from here. So how, what is the LCM, that is sin theta. Okay, so sin theta into 1 sin theta you can write, so in the above how much, cos theta, so cos theta you have to write minus 1. Okay, you can write. So now what we can write here, that is cos theta plus sin theta within bracket you can write plus 1. Okay, divided by cos theta. Okay, cos theta, this cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 you can write, divided by sin theta. Okay. So now again we can write what, this one, sin theta plus what, cos theta we can write. Okay, cos theta we can write plus 1. Okay, divided by cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 divided by what, sin theta. Okay, so now we can write here what, sin theta, we have to take the what, LCM, cos theta into sin theta, how much, what we can write here, that is sin theta into what, cos theta we can write. So here we can write sin theta plus what, cos theta whole square minus what, 1 whole square. Okay, that means we can write here, so sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus what, 1 square. As we know that a plus b whole into what, a minus b equal to what, we can write a square minus b square. Okay, that is why we have that is why we write here, that is sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus what, 1 square. Okay, so a plus b whole into a minus b equal to what, a square minus b square we can write, and then after comes the thing. So then after we can write what, sin theta plus cos theta whole square. That means we know that a plus b whole square equal to what? A square plus twice ab plus what? B square we can write. So in this formula, this formula we use here. Okay, so what we can write here? Sin square theta. Sin theta whole square means what? Sin square theta plus twice sin theta cos theta we can write plus what? Cos theta whole square means what? Cos square theta we can write plus minus what? 1. Okay, 1 whole square means what? 1 we can write divided by sin theta into what? Cos theta. So sin theta cos theta we can write. So now we can write here what? Sin square theta plus what? Cos square theta. This sin square theta we write here, and plus this cos theta, cos square theta we write as together. Okay, so cos square theta we write here plus twice sin theta cos theta minus 1. Okay, divided by sin theta cos theta we can write. Okay, now we can write here what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know that what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to what? 1. So this one we write here. Okay, sin square plus cos square, the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to what? 1. So here we write 1 plus twice sin theta cos theta minus 1. Okay, so divided by what we can write? Sin theta cos theta we can write. Now you see here this plus 1 and this minus 1 would be what? Cancel, and what we can write here, that is twice sin theta cos theta we can write divided by sin theta cos theta. So this sin theta cos theta would be what? Cancel. So what remain here? 2. Okay, so now you can write here what? Therefore you can write, therefore what we can write, that is therefore the correct option is what? Therefore the correct option is 2. Correct option is what? C 2. Okay, so this is the answer.